Guys, and welcome back to our new causal funnel video here today. In today's video, we are going to be covering how to apply schema markup to your WordPress blogs and pages. This is an important step in improving your website's visibility in search engines and helping your content stand out in rich snippets. So, what exactly is schema markup? Well, schema markup is a form of code that allows you to add to your website to help search engines understand the content and structure of your pages. It helps search engines like Google understand what your content is about, which results in your pages can be featured in rich snippets, and a key element for boosting your visibility in search results. So why is this schema markup important? Well, adding schema markup to your WordPress site can help significantly improve the search engine's interpretation of your content. It can help enhance the way that your content appears in search results, increasing the chances of getting higher click-through rates. Rich snippets, which are a visual enhancement in search results, are generated using schema markup. These enhanced snippets often lead to more organic traffic and better forms of engagement use. So, using a plugin to apply your schema markup. Now that we know a little bit about what the schema markup is, let's talk about how to apply this in your WordPress site. To do this, you will need to get a plugin. You can either use Yoast SEO or Rank Math plugins. Both work great for schema markup, and the procedure is almost identical with both. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply schema markup using the Yoast SEO plugin. If you don't already have it installed, you can easily do it in the plugin section of your WordPress dashboard. To begin, we're going to edit the page. Now, once we're inside the post editor, scroll all the way down until you see the Yoast SEO dashboard. The Yoast SEO panel includes a few different tabs: SEO, readability, and schema. We'll be focusing on the schema tab for this tutorial. Choosing the right schema markup is important. Now that we've clicked on the schema tab, this is where you'll be able to select the appropriate schema markup for your page. Depending on the content type of your page or post, you can select a variety of schema types. So within the schema options available, Yoast SEO offers several schema options, and you could choose the one that matches best the content for your post. For example, if you're writing a regular blog post, you can choose article or blog post. But if your content is about social media posts, you can select social media. For articles covering the latest news, opt for news article items. Now, these here are the additional schemas that we can add in. There are different types that you can add. For example, FAQ schema, where you can add frequently asked questions that will help your content appear. We also have things like item schema, where if your page is a product listing or a category, you'll want to list items in your schema. And finally, your profile schema. If you've created a profile or author page, you'll apply the profile schema here. So how do we edit this? To edit the schema, all we need to do is simply hit the edit button next to the schema type that we want to use. Once you choose the one that's most relevant to your content, it's important to select the right schema type in your search engines to understand your content correctly. Now that we're back in Elementor, the second question we get is, what if your post is using this platform? How do you add it in that case? Well, if you're using your Elementor in your blog posts, you'll see that Elementor has a dashboard when you're editing to get to Yoast SEO. All we do is click that little gear at the top, and then we see everything we need right here. Clicking on it will allow you to choose the schema item that fits your content best. So that is how you apply schema markup to your blog posts and pages in WordPress, whether you're using the classic editor or the Elementor add-in. Adding your schema markup is a straightforward process that can really help enhance your website's search engine visibility and help your content get featured in rich snippets, which is something you should want for your website. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Schema markup is a powerful tool that can help you improve your website's SEO, and I really encourage you to start using it today to help build up your site's authority. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Thanks again. See you later. Bye, guys.